Mr. Garvey purchased 58 food items at a local fast food restaurant. Some are French fries, some are hamburgers. Here's a total amount spent. So here we go. Buckets of food, we'll say. We've got 58 items. That's a total number of items over there on the far right. We've got both hamburgers and French fries, H and F. And the hamburgers were $2.50 each, 2.50 up there. French fries were $1.50. And he spent a total of $127. Now, since we had a decimal over on the left with 2 digits after it, I'm going to do the same thing over here on the right, just for unity, so we can make sure we don't make any errors with our decimals. Now, this number on the top right, again, was a total, and we're going to treat it as such as we're writing our equations. I'm going to choose to multiply through by 100 and basically move all those decimals 2 places to the right before I do the top-bottom thing. So top times bottom becomes 250H plus top times bottom, that becomes 150F equals, and that's a total, so stop there, 12,700. The second equation will be the number of hamburgers plus the number of French fries is 58. And there is the system of equations which we're going to solve. So I'm going to slide that to the top of our screen, and we'll focus on this from here forth. I'm going to solve the second equation for H, subtracting the F and writing H equals 58 minus F. And that H is then going to get substituted into the line above. So 250H is going to turn into 250 times 58 minus F plus the other 150F equals 12,700. Okay, here we go. We've got to do some distribution here. So 250 times 58 is going to be 14,500 minus 250F plus 150F equals the 12,700 on the right. We're going to combine like terms, and so on the left we still have the 14,500, but we're going to have minus 100F equals the 12,700, and that 100F with those 2 zeros kind of catches my attention. I'm going to just divide through right now by 100, and that's going to clean things up a little bit. I'm going to have 145 minus F equals 127. Look how nice that is. Now we're going to subtract 145 on each side of the equation. We will have negative F equals negative 18, and we want to solve for F itself, so dividing each side by negative 1 we have 18 orders of French fries, and then the number of hamburgers can be found by taking our 18, substituting in for F in this equation up above. H will be 58 minus 18, so H will stand for 40 hamburgers altogether. And so this method takes what could be a rather scary word problem and makes it hopefully a little bit more manageable for you.